Hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you iOS 16 supported device iPhone 7, 7 Plus, iPhone 6s, iPhone SE first generation supported or not. Lot of iPhone users question is which device supported iOS 16's update on iPhone and iPad. So guys, before the starting this video, please make sure you are subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more information about iPhone and iPad. First, iPhone users common question is iOS 16 supported device on iPhone 7, 7 Plus, iPhone 6 and also iPhone SE first generation. These four devices discontinue iOS 16's update on your iPhone and iPad. And also second question is which devices are supported iOS 16's updates. iOS 16 supported device is iPhone 8, 8 Plus, iPhone XS, XS Max, XR, iPhone 11 series, 12 series and 13 series are supported iOS 16 update. These all the device compatible for the iOS 16's update on your iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problem as soon as. Thank you so much.